Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the price of Bitcoin because Bitcoin, well, it did a lot of stuff since the last video we made yesterday. So we're going to jump into the price of Bitcoin, look at my important levels, and guys, I'm actually going to segue into the video we made with Davinci because it was just absolutely hilarious. So I'm going to do some TA very quickly, and then I'm going to segue into the video I made with Davinci. Make sure to watch that video until the end because we talked about the this new meme coin that went up 20,000%, Davinci's Bitcoin price targets, and much more. But guys, I'm CryptoKid. Age is just a number, but so is the price of Bitcoin. So let's jump in to the chart right now. So what we can see on the price of Bitcoin is, in fact, this is our chart that we've been building up, since last week. I talked about this rising wedge pattern last week, and I said that I would go into a short if we do break below the support of this rising wedge. Now, we hit the first two take profits perfectly, and we got around 3.4% on leverage. So this was absolutely amazing. So we saw a little bit of a pump towards the upside to, liquidate all of these short positions to get them wrecked. And then we fell down to this very critical support of $29,100, which of course on the weekly time frame is one of the most important levels that we have, just because in the previous cycles for Bitcoin, the prices come back down to this 29.1K level and saw major bounces towards the upside. Now, after that, we talked about this bearish continuation pattern that was forming on the price, and I gave my personal targets for the downside. Now, I said that I would go into a short position if we broke below the 29.1K, and we hit both of them, in fact, perfectly. So the first one we hit was the 28.7K, and then we hit the 28.2K. However, guys, I'm personally now taking profits on my short positions. Now, the next downside target will be the 27.6K, but I mentioned this target where we're at right now on my free Telegram channel because I can update you guys much quicker than I can update you on a video. So if you check my free Telegram channel, I do full technical breakdowns for you guys, and I said that I would begin to take profit at this level that we're at because it's just super, it's another important level, and I did feel like Bitcoin could see a mini reversal towards the upside. It's just that we have we do have some support on the 1 hourly time frame at this level too. So I'm personally taking profits on my shorts and just watching the market on what's happening. But guys, that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to segue into the awesome video that I made with Davinci. It was absolutely crazy, so make sure to watch until the end. But guys, I'll see you all very soon. Take care and bye-bye. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are, whenever you are. I'm your host, Davinci J15, and I'm joined by the one and only CryptoKid. How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
It's doing awesome. Can't complain. Living in the pie, 5x5. Staying alive in Dubai. What can I say?
Wait a second.
Wait, what?
I'm fine. Davinci J15.
You're Davinci, sorry. No, I'm 15, he's 51. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah.
Hey guys, we got a good show for you here. I hope you're enjoying it. Right? I know in the comment section there, the chat section, you guys are like laughing your heads off there.
And make sure to join Davinci's private group because we did like 2 minutes of just comedy before
exactly.
this.
So if you're watching this after the fact, right? You missed the comedy and you want to join the comedy, you can head over to DaVinciJ15.com, right? And subscribe, and you can get this absolutely free. I do this and I post it for my subscribers. I did open it up today for a few lucky people who are subscribed to my channel, and I hit the video, so it will not be able. You will not be able, if you're watching it right now, live, guys. You will not be able to get access to this video because I'm going to put it private. So yeah, if you want to get it, you're going to have to come into.
But retention is dropping, so let's jump into it.
Okay.
Enough shilling. Let's go.
What are you talking about?
Okay, the real video.
Okay, so we're going to be talking about first.
Yes.
Pepe coin.
Pepe coin, yeah. It hit 20,000%.
What?
Like what? Meme coins are back again, and what this means is, I think we will probably see a huge Bitcoin down. This is what I feel like. Bitcoin bull market, because we know that when meme coins pump, usually there's more people entering crypto.
That's true. But it's, the meme coins are all the kids like you buying that nonsense. Don't you have some Pepe coin?
No, I don't have some Pepe coins. I only have Pepe Inu, actually.
I'm pretty sure it's all your fault.
Yeah,
So Pepe coin, right? This stupid frog. I don't even know who Pepe is.
Dude, 6th largest meme coin by market cap. What the hell, man?
I know, it's just crazy. And so this meme frog just went.
This is from
viral.
Discord, by the way. If you guys, I think the original Pepe meme is from Discord, I believe. But now it's a coin, and there's like Pepe Inu, Pepe Shiba, Pepe billion stuff that's pumping too.
Oh Jesus!
Yeah, it's insane, man.
And like, so people are like just buying whatever.
Exactly.
That's Pepe.
Dude, look, scroll down. 1.4 million tweets in the U.S.
No,
it's trending, man.
I'm confused.
I'm confused. I don't know.
I don't know what to say.
What the hell? Like, we could switch to the chart. I'll show you right now.
It's right there. Yes.
Dude, what?
This is the weekly chart.
This is the weekly. Let's go to the daily. It will be much better. Look at this. We went from 0.000000081 to 0.0000002.
That's a lot of zeros.
That's a lot of zeros. But apparently it went up 20,000%. Man.
Wow. Can you do that again?
No.
What?
I don't think so.
Oh damn!
Man.
This is like what 6 zeros? I think.
6 zeros. Well, we went from what? This is what? How many 100 zeros to 6 zeros? So that's a big movement up.
Wow.
You know the mentality is when something looks so cheap, that's when people buy, right? And like Shiba looks super cheap, but it was like
I know.
it was still has a huge market cap, right? So that's why people FOMO in thinking they can make a lot of money.
Because they can buy a lot of it, like billions of them, and feel, woo, if it goes to $1.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm a billionaire.
A trillionaire. But think about this. You can also buy millions of sats, right? Millions of satoshis.
Exactly.
Same thing. But people don't get it.
No.
Anyways.
Yeah. So it is the divisibility issue, right? People when they go into the store to buy an apple, they don't want 1/100,000th of an apple. They want the whole apple. This is why Bitcoin has a little bit of a problem, right? Where it's at $28,000 right now.
Not looking good. Not looking good.
Yes. Right now we Bitcoin pumped off of this the 29,000, and I thought we were gonna just bounce off of it, but then and keep going, but nope. We came back to it, and that was
it. Yeah.
Oh boy! So, where is Bitcoin going from here? We're looking at we're gonna have to wait for it to. This is a 4 hour, but we're gonna have to. I'm gonna zoom. Actually, sorry guys, I made this I was supposed to make this a lot bigger.
Yeah, but I thought it was too big.
Because
my eyes are young, right, and I can see. So
yes,
you can't see that.
You went there.
I went there again. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, this is for the people who are on their phones. They can't see the charts, right?
Sure. Yeah. Sure, buddy. Whatever you say. Whatever makes you sleep at night.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's see. I wonder if I can make this full screen so I can hide.
Even bigger. You want to see it even bigger?
Yes. We need to hide some of this stuff for sure.
While Uncle Davinci's trying to do that, I'll give you some of my TA and I'll show my channel also, guys. Check out CryptoKid because I update you guys as soon as there's a breakdown. Not like Davinci when he just like does it after it happens, right?
Oh wow!
I'm joking.
Okay, now I can't seem to hide this stupid thing. Okay, fine. We'll just leave it as is. Okay, so right now I'm looking for actually this to come back up before we can decide how we can see exactly the target is. But right now, if we break these lows here, right?
26.5.
That's we're heading all the way down, right? All the way down. 20K.
Bitcoin 12K now.
20K is where we can see this thing move all the way back down to 20K, which is horrible.
Not nice. Really not nice. Yeah.
Oh my God. Let's just pray it does not come and break these lows here. Lows.
You know what I'm super pissed off about? El Capo is going to be like, I was right. I told you so. You know, the guy that says major capitulation to 12K soon.
I know. Well, wait until Peter Schiff comes out.
Peter Schiff.
Well, he's the broken clock, right? So he's always saying it's going to zero. So
so at some point he's going to be right, and then he's going to be like, I told you guys. I told you.
Really? No,
zero? No, not zero, of course. Whenever you say Yeah, never mind. Not zero. For sure not zero. For sure not zero.
So we have to wait and see.
Yeah.
I think we have to wait to see how if this thing bounces and how far up it bounces and then creates another kind of Emming pattern. Then if this does create an Emming pattern that breaks us, that shows us that there's going to break below the 26,000 and 500. Oof.
Not nice. Not nice. Like, I mean, I was just talking on my channel how important this 29.1K is, because on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, the previous cycles for Bitcoin found support at this level and then saw a major price movement towards the upside until June of last year when we finally broke down into this huge bear market. So, of course, we had this pump towards the upside after we hit 29.1K, but it's now super weak that we're down from it again, and there was a bearish continuation pattern last night. And it's not looking good. We hit my first take profit target, actually 2 take profit targets. Now it looks like the next level for Bitcoin is around the 27.6K and this 27.6K and this 26.8K, 7K territory. So it's not looking good.
No.
Yeah.
But let's just zoom in and see if we can find some sort of bouncing situation.
Yeah.
Maybe we can like help with a nice long here, because that would be nice. Let's see here. It looks like we haven't leveled off well enough here. Let's just do a trend line, and let me just zoom in.
Dude, how are you seeing the price, bro? What is
I know, because I was just looking at the what's it called, the
the Bollinger Bands,
the what's it called, the indicators, to see if we can see if there's anything happening.
Oof, not good, man.
Yeah, I know.
We're seeing another small bearish continuation there too.
Yeah, there's no happiness here. There's no sunshine. there's no sunshine here.
Welcome.
We are still in the downtrend here, and you could see this thing have further to drop.
If we break this trend line though, then we could see some upwards momentum to 29.1K. So
exactly,
that's what we gotta see.
Yeah. So once we break the trend line, I would suggest you wait for something for it to just do one more, like, oh my God, wipe you out and then go higher. Because the Bitcoin is just trades like a forex stock. I mean, not currency, and it loves to do that.
So the DXY is seeing a pump now, right? That's why we're seeing the price of Bitcoin have a little bit of a pullback.
Yeah. Here, let's go to Dixie. The Dixie chicks. The Dixie chicks. Okay, so I got them on a daily here. There was, I mean, like, if we go to 4 hour, I guess we can see some sort
monthly.
Oh no, I have it on daily. Oh, I can't do the shorter time frame. The daily.
Dude, what is going on with the charts, man?
So here you can see that.
There we go. Okay.
That the Dixie is falling out of bed.
Yeah.
And we can see this thing come as low as the 92-ish area before we can see some sort of like bounce here on the Dixie. And if it continues past that,
not good.
Yeah, I think the United States government might default on their debt.
And then Bitcoin see massive moves towards the upside. So technically, right, Bitcoin, what do you think on this? Bitcoin and the DXY are inversely proportional. So if the DXY dumps, then Bitcoin should increase, right?
Technically, yes. But remember what's happening. This is a price against other currencies.
Other currencies. Okay.
Not price against stuff.
So
my theory is that's like the difference,
because we trade Bitcoin against USD, right? So against USD, Bitcoin's price would increase, but against other currencies like the CNY, for example, we'd see a decrease, right?
But this is based on other currencies.
Other currencies,
right? So this is falling against other currencies, not other stuff like oil and gas and stuff like that. That's why not necessarily it can affect the price of assets. Right, that's why.
Makes sense.
It can. Sometimes it does, right? But not all the time, right?
I didn't know that. Okay.
So
that's important. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah. So this is not priced against stuff. It's priced against other currencies. So effectively, if the other currencies start to fall, it may seem like prices start to fall across that board. But then all of a sudden, the Dixie goes up because they lowered their value of their currency.
Okay.
Right.
Makes sense.
You got it?
Yeah, got it. Got it. Economics 101, right there.
Yes.
Ethereum below $2,000
yes.
again. No.
Okay. So remember, guys, if you want to trade all this before we get into Ethereum,
go to Bybit.
Bybit.davincej15.com.
And boom.
And there you go.
Get that juicy bonus.
Yeah, it's huge. You could get a $30,000 trading bonus.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, I would have missed that. Living in my head right now, for sure. God.
Oh, no.
Amy ribbons crossing towards the downside. Oh.
Jeez.
Hiya.
Yeah, so you know
Uncle
what?
Roger.
I was hoping we could hold this 1942
No.
support. We were we were barely staying above it, and now we're like sinking below it, failing to come above. And if that continues,
Not nice.
not nice,
Not nice.
not nice at all.
Where does that mean from?
I don't know actually.
Carl
Just says it.
Yeah. Man, it's crazy. Everyone in Carl's like friend group, like Carl is so iconic with what he says. Like I now say insane all the time. It's insane.
It's insane that I keep saying insane. Okay, so where do we think this thing is going? If this thing continue, there could be a continuation here, right?
We had a nice consolidation over there, which we broke towards the downside. So that would have been a nice time to short.
And
But
what if we have a continuation here, dude?
Noise.
Dude, let's not think about that, but let's see what kind of let's clone
Do you
this.
trade Ethereum?
Yes, I do.
Ever since that
And
picture of Vitalik.
You can see, look, right back to where my entry point is on this whole trade.
Did you take profits?
Oh man, yes I did.
Okay, perfect. Thank God.
But yes, this is not looking good. We could break down all the way back down to 1764.
Not good, guys.
We're going back in time, right? But you know what? Honestly, it doesn't. I think that Ethereum still will be getting up to at least $3,500 sometime this year.
Sometime this year. Wow. So your bull market prediction is by the end of this year we're gonna see.
We'll see 3,500 definitely for.
And for Bitcoin?
And for Bitcoin, we can see as possible high as 50K.
Okay.
Assuming that the US dollar doesn't collapse. If it collapses, then it's probably
Hopefully.
And for Ethereum, well, it's going to be like what 40K for Ethereum if the US dollar collapses.
You're joking. Huh?
Oh,
Really?
No, I'm not joking. Yeah,
Wow.
It would be absolutely insane. And there's a possibility of that because if they default on their debts, right, which they can, right, at any point in time, that's it.
And they just increased their debt limit by 1.5 trillion. I believe they've done it or they're planning to do it until March of next year. So not looking good at all.
Not at all, but not at all.
Yes.
So that's the show for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had some fun. I know I did.
I did. I for sure did. That was super fun.
We're going to be doing another show on Crypto Kid's channel, so make sure you check it out on his channel. Subscribe, hit the subscribe bell button and all for both of our channels because you don't want the YouTube algorithm. It's not going to give you the show unless you hit that bell button and all.
Exactly.
So do that. That's very important.
It takes 2 seconds. It takes 2 seconds and doesn't hurt and means a lot to us.
Yes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.